Hey, hi, good morning, all of you. Welcome to the knowledge track. In this video lecture series, our team going to cover all the important national parks and sanctuary state-wise across India, which helps students in their preparation, like those who are preparing for UPSC, state PCS, NDA, SSC, banks, and other various one-day exams. So here our main motive is to uh, cover all the national parks and sanctuary state-wise, and in this series, particularly under the national parks or sanctuaries, I'll try to cover two three things mainly, that is its geographical location, second one is flora and fauna, third one is there any endemic species belonging to that national parks. So these things are I am going to cover in this video. So let's start. So in this regard, the first state which I am going to pick up is Rajasthan. Though Rajasthan have a lot of national parks, but the important ones are Desert National Parks, Mukundra Hills National Parks, Sarisaka National Parks, Keoladeo, Ghana National Parks, and fifth one is Ranthambore National Park. So these are the important one which are located in Rajasthan, and here is the problem that how we are going to remember it. So here I am created a acronym just to remember these five national parks, and the acronym is Rani Desmukh. Here Ra means Ranthambore, DE means Desert National Park, SA means Sariska National Park, and MU means Mukundra Hills, and K means Keoladeo. So the whole acronym is Rani Desmukh went to Rajasthan to see its national park. So here with this statement you can remember that Rani is the acronym of these five states, these five national parks, and here the national parks in the statement which try to connect these two. Okay, so try to remember this in this way, and here is the location where you will find all these national parks, though these are not the specific one, something here and there because I have drawn just to mark where it is actually situated, just give a rough idea. Because of the copyright infringement I have not used a specific map of Rajasthan with these national parks, so it's up to you, you can draw with yourself. Okay, so let's start one by one and try to know what are the specific about these national parks which are situated in Rajasthan. The first one is Desert National Park. So its geographical location is it is situated in Jaisalmer and Barmer district of Rajasthan. So it is situated in Jaisalmer and Barmer district of Rajasthan. These two are important, particularly those who are preparing for the exams of Rajasthan state. Okay, and these two states also share the border with the international country that is Pakistan. Okay, and the next one is what are the famous attraction, how these are attract the tourism. So here you will find three things, out of which two are the species and one is lake. First one is critically endangered great Indian bustard. You will find here Great Indian Bustard, do one thing, just go on the Google and search about Great Indian Bustard. You will find a lot of information related to this, which helps you in your examination. That what is the IUCN status, though I have mentioned here the IUCN status of the Great Indian Bustard, but you have to find out other two things. What is the status of Great Indian Bustard inside appendix and the uh, Animal Protection Act 1972, under which schedule it is uh, situated. Okay. Second one is Indian gazelle. Uh, Locally, it is known as chinkara. And third one is Gadisasar Lake, which is in the park and home to migratory birds. So, Gadisar Lake are it's situated in Desert National Park, and many birds, especially the migratory one, who are come there and spend some time there. Okay. Next one is vegetation. So in vegetation, the vegetation inside the national park is sparse and the patches of Siwan grass and oak shrub. So here you remember these two, that is Siwan grass and oak shrub, which are found in Desert National Park. Okay. Next one is landscape. What are the landscape? Which includes cracky rocks, compact salt lakes. You will find here salt lake as well. And third one, and the important one is shifting dunes. So you know that shifting dunes. I hope that you are well aware about the dunes, which is a common phenomena in Rajasthan. Not the Rajasthan, in any area where the desert are situated. You will find the desert. So here in the park, you will find that there is a shifting dunes. Okay, and the last one is fossils. So this desert national parks, here scientists had find fossil fuels of animal and plant, particularly that of dinosaurs. So in India, I think that this is the only desert park, or that this is the only national park where you find the fossils of dinosaur. Okay, I think that that is enough for the desert national park. Though there are a lot of knowledge related to this, but I think these are the important one, and try to remember these two. It will help you in your upcoming exams. Okay, particularly the shifting dunes. It is a feature, you can say, that of this national parks. There might be a question that there is a one national park in India where shifting dunes are common. So by the you can remember this. Next one is Mukundra Hills National Park. Though it is also a tiger reserve, and its geographical location, it is a farm between two parallel mountains, that is Mukundra and Gargola, okay, near Kota city of Rajasthan. So remember two things, that is Mukundra and Gargola, two parallel mountains, okay, and it is near to the Kota city. Here four rivers which decides the boundary of this Mukundra Hills National Park, that is Chambal, Kali, Abu and Ramajan. So these four rivers are important from the perspective of these national parks, and also try to find out its their origin, from there they are originated, what are the tributaries, distributaries of these rivers, and there where they are going to meet with others rivers. These are the homework for you people, and try to maintain this. Okay, next one is there are three wildlife sanctuaries which comprises, you can say that this forms a boundary, be a part of this Mukundra Hills, that is National Chamber Sanctuary. Second one is Jawahar Sagar Sanctuary, and third one is Dharra Wildlife Sanctuary. So remember these three. There might be a question, particularly only these three one. Okay. And what are the fauna and flora? So fauna you will find here Bengal tiger, Indian wolf, Indian leopard, cheetal, sambar deer, wildlife boar, nilgai, slot bear, chinkara, mugger, crocodile, and gharial. Here is the homework of you people that you find out the IUCN and the sites status of mugger, crocodile, and gharial. Okay, flora. You can here you will find the forest. The light is Katiyar Gir dry deciduous forest. So these are the important points related to the Mukundra Hills. Okay, let's move on the next one. Next one is Sarisaka National Park. So it is also a tiger reserve located in Arauli Hills and form a part of Alwar district of Rajasthan. So particularly it is situated in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Okay, there is nothing to know too much about this Sarisaka National Park, so hardly I am getting too much points regarding to this national park, but I have tried to manage to give some points. So next one is fauna. Fauna means होता है animal. Okay, so here you will find Indian leopard, jungle cat, caracal, golden jackal, cheetal, sambar, nilgai, wilbur, small Indian cheetahs, kawan, mongoose. You will find here mongoose, ruddy mongoose, honey burger. Okay, Macau, and the famous one is Royal Bengal tiger. So you will find here Royal Bengal tiger. These Royal Bengal tiger also found in Sundarban Delta. So originally they are belongs to the Sundarban Delta, but they are also found here. So remember this. And you will find here the tree like Arjun, Bear, Salar, etc. Okay, what are the famous attraction from the perspective of tourism? So here you will find the Kanakwardi Fort, Temple of Nilkant, and Pandupol Hanumanji Temple. Here Pandupol Hanumanji Temple belongs to the Pandavas and Kanakwardi Fort somehow belongs to the Mughals. Okay, and there is a story that during the War of Succession among the Mughals during you can say that in the time of Aurangzeb. Okay, so I think that fort it belongs to somehow them as well. So remember this and find out the how this fort belongs to the Mughals. It's your duty, it's your homework. Find out. Next one is Keoladeo Ghana National Park. So one of the important point regarding to this that it is also known as you can say that formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary also you can say the name of Keoladeo Ghana National Park. It is a World Heritage Site and also mentioned in the Ramsar site. Okay, so it's find a place in Montreal of the record of Ramsar site. Okay, in terms of wetland of international importance, there is a one river that is Gambhir River, which considered as a lifeline of the sanctuary. And but currently, this national park receives water from Ajan Bund, a temporary reservoir with the Deccan canals. So Deccan canals, okay, there is a one reservoir Arjun Bund from where this national park get the water. You will find here Siberian crane, okay, and rarely and highly endangered birds, okay. And one of the important thing about it that it is wintering ground of migratory waterfowl from Eurasia, North America, Arabian Peninsula, as well as from the resident birds due to its strategic location because it is located in the middle of Central Asian migratory flyway. Okay, and you will also get here you will find a plenty of water. Okay, So here one word, that is Central Asian Migratory Flyway. Try to find out with yourself that what is this, and is there only single or any other flyways. Okay, so these are the important one about Keoladeo Ghana National Park. Next one is Ranthambore National Park. So it is located at the junction of Arauli and Vindhya Hills range in Karauli and Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan. So it is situated, you can say that geographically it is situated in Karauli and Savai Madhopur districts of Rajasthan. It gets water from two rivers, that is Vanas River and Chambal River. Again, the same question, that try to find out their origin, from where they are originated, and its distributary and tributary. This year there is one question, a river which are situated in this area, okay, in the UPSC prelims. So try to find out these the distributaries and tributaries of these rivers. Okay, what are the vegetation which you will find here? So you will find here the tropical deciduous forest. Basically, this area comes under the patches of tropical dry deciduous forest. There is a one tree whose name locally it is known as dag. It is said that it is a species of capable of withstanding long period of drought, being the commonest. So it is common in this area, and it can survive a long period of drought as well. That is why it is known as flame of forest. So here is a word, that is flame of forest. So remember this. Okay, Ranthambore National Park comprises two other sanctuaries, that is Savai Man Singh and Keoladeo sanctuaries. So these two are somehow belongs to the Ranthambore. You can find a relation between among these three, that is Ranthambore National Park, Savai Man Singh, and the Keoladeo sanctuaries. Okay, so these are the basic information related to the Ranthambore National Park. Next one is Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary. Though it is not a national park, but last year it was in news because central government, that is the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, notified it as a tiger reserve. Okay, so Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary, now it is a tiger reserve, and it is the fourth tiger reserve in Rajasthan. And the other three are Ranthambore, Sarisaka and Mukundra. About these three earlier I had discussed in this video. So these four, that is Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary, Ranthambore, Sarisaka and Mukundra. These four are the tiger reserve. And Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary is located in Bundi districts of Rajasthan. Okay, Bundi district of Rajasthan. So I think these are the in news. This is in news. So remember this. Here, few important wildlife sanctuary in Rajasthan. Though I am not going to cover them one by one, but give just a general information about them and try to remember these names. It will help you. Directly, there might be a question in your exam that where is the Chambal National Chambal Sanctuary situated? So such types of question might be asked in your exam. So remember, that is the first one is Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary, Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, National Chambal Sanctuary, Bassi Wildlife Sanctuary, Gajner Wildlife Sanctuary, Sita Mata Wildlife Sanctuary, and Tal Chhappar Wildlife Sanctuary. So these are the important ones which are also situated in Rajasthan in the category of wildlife sanctuary. So that is enough for the Rajasthan. If you find more extra knowledge about these things, so try to update your notes I think that is enough for the Rajasthan. So thank you for watching this informative video, and if you like this initiative, then subscribe and share this channel to your colleagues, which helps me and give me a motive to make such informative video in future as well. So thank you for watching.